Today's menu, 10 fun facts about space exploration. 1. The moon smells like gunpowder. Astronauts who walked on the moon reported that lunar dust smelled like spent gunpowder when they returned to their lunar module and removed their helmets. 2. Spacesuits cost a fortune. A single NASA spacesuit costs around $12 million. Most of that price is for the backpack and control module that regulate temperature and supply oxygen. 3. The first animal in space was a dog. Laika, a stray dog from Moscow, became the first animal to orbit Earth in 1957 aboard Sputnik 2. Sadly, she didn't survive the trip, but she paved the way for human spaceflight. 4. You can't burp in space. In microgravity, gas doesn't separate from liquids in your stomach like it does on Earth. So burping in space is more like a wet burp. You might get some liquid along with the gas. 5. Astronauts grow taller in space. In the absence of gravity, astronauts' spines elongate, and they can grow up to 2 inches taller during their time in space. But don't get too excited. They shrink back down once they return to Earth. 6. The Voyager probes are still going. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, launched in 1977, are the farthest human-made objects from Earth. They're now in interstellar space and still sending data back to Earth. 7. The first human in space was Yuri Gagarin. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first person to travel into space. His flight on Vostok 1 lasted just 108 minutes. 8. Space is completely silent. Because there's no atmosphere in space, sound can't travel like it does on Earth. That's why astronauts rely on radios to communicate. 9. The Apollo 11 crew almost got stuck on the moon. After their historic landing in 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin accidentally broke the ignition switch for their lunar module. They managed to fix it using a pen to press the circuit breaker and launch back to Earth. 10. There's a galactic speed limit. No spacecraft can travel faster than the speed of light, which is 186,282 miles per second. But NASA's Parker Solar Probe is the fastest human-made object, traveling at 430,000 miles per hour. Which one surprised you the most? Follow for more daily facts.